Hi guys, we are going to discuss how to install MySql server in Ubuntu. Okay, everyone should learn this software installation in all platform, and this will reduce depends on other and also helps to improve the knowledge. If you learn this, no need support engineer, no DevOps engineer. Okay, using below command we can install MySql server. Copy first, we need to copy this command, go to terminal, paste the command. Okay, it will ask password. This is your system password. Okay, give the password and enter. Okay. Mm, Before installing this server, you make sure the network connectivity on your machine. Okay, the MySql server installation file get from network. It will take some time to download and install. You have to wait, guys. MySQL connectivity, speed and security make it highly suited for accessing database. Okay, installed. Copy that command. After installing the software, we need to start the service. Okay, we can able to install the server within a minute. Easy to manage and is one of the most mature software. Okay, paste that command. MySQL server will start. We can able to log in using this command. Okay, by default, if you are first time installation MySQL, there is no password for authentication. Okay, this is the latest MySQL version 8.0.39. Okay, we can after installing MySQL server, we can able to set the password using this command for root user. Okay, alter user root at localhost identified with the MySQL native password by your password. For me, I am giving root as password. Click enter. Exit and password is set. Now without password not able to log in. The asking password. Now with password I can able to log in using MySQL root command. Asking password, type password as root, able to log in. Okay, this is the basic simple steps for installing MySQL server in Ubuntu server. Okay, within a minute. Okay, now the installation got completed. Now we need to connect the database connection with the client tool. Okay, after starting the service, go to any tool, any connectivity client tool like a DB or SQL log or a workbench, anything. Okay, go to MySql client tool. Now in my system, dviewer is there. Opening the dviewer client tool. Here there are so many menus there. Okay, go to database menu, click new database connection. There are so many servers there. For me, MySql server. Click next. Here host and port is there. Host I am using localhost because server is installed in my machine. So I am giving localhost. Port is 3306. Password is root. While installing given that password I need to give here. Test connection connected. Okay, finish. Now connection will appear. You can able to see, right? Okay guys, this is the basic simple step installation of MySQL server and connectivity in client tool. Okay, thank you guys.